Today we're going to do a tropical. We're supposed to be going on a vacation to a tropical location at some point in the near future, and it's been canceled because of COVID-19. So we are doing a tropical because even at home, when you're staying at home like you should, you can still have a tropical experience. The tropical, you're supposed to sprinkle in a fair sized slice of fresh pineapple. We actually just have pineapple tidbits, little bits of pineapple, with sugar, and crush in a bar glass or a muddler, or better still, in a warring blender. I don't know that's probably a brand, it's capitalized, I don't know. Place the crushed pineapple with the other ingredients in the shaker with crushed ice and shake long and vigorously. The drink may be strained into a cocktail glass or may be poured, ice, pineapple, shreds, and all into a large wine glass and served with straws. So I think we will do the part where it's all poured in, so I don't want to waste bits of pineapple, but no straws because we're also environmentally friendly. There are two other quite dissimilar drinks that are also called tropicals. The first consists of 1 part creme de vanilla to 2 parts cognac. That sounds gross. The second consists of 1 part creme de cacao and 1 part maraschino and 2 parts dry vermouth. Also, it sounds pretty rough, with a dash of orange bitters to each drink. Neither of the latter two tropicals can properly even be called a cocktail. This guy really hates, like, so much stuff. He hates so many things. Thank you, David A. Embury, for all the entertainment. So we start off with 1 part lime juice. We have 4 parts Jamaican rum. We use Appleton, only the best, baby. Crafted in the heart of Jamaica. Doesn't get more Jamaican than that. And then we need this crushed sweetened pineapple, so I'm going to create that real quick. So we're making some sweetened pineapple chunk stuff, so a little bit of sugar, maybe a teaspoon of sugar, then smash this up. This ought to be pretty tasty, I think. Alright, and then we'll dump this in here. Hope for the best. Wow, it is really stuck in there. We have to add some ice. Then you gotta shake it up. So now that that's all shook up, I'm going to take off this also since we're using everything. The last step is a dash of grenadine, so I'll add that in. Quick little dash. They actually end up being really pretty. Do a little swirl. Give it a taste. I hope it's good.
Oh, it's really good.
Yeah.
Oh, it's really, really good.
The rum drinks are actually pretty easy to make good. Rum just absorbs any sort of sweetness. I think that's why when you go to tropical islands, everyone just gets super hammered really easily because they can just pour like 12 ounces of rum and throw a shot of pineapple juice in there and it tastes like nothing is happening. So, anyways, give that a shot if you want to feel better about the fact that it's a beautiful spring and we're all dealing with a pandemic. Good luck out there, everyone. We sure love and appreciate you. Bye.